Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about the table concept in the HTML5. Generally, tables means content showing particular borders, using borders, right? In a table manner. In HTML, we use table tag and tr tag, th tag, td tag. By using these all tags, we will create a table. Okay. TR means table row, TH means table heading, TD means table data. That means the cells having the content or the data that is represented by using the TD tag, and the TR and TH and TD tags written in between the table tag. See here, all the TR and TD and TH tag, these and all written in between the table tag. Okay, and next the content is written in between TH, TD, TR tags. In the table tag we have TR, TH and TD tags, right? So whatever the content we want to display in the table in the output, so that content was written in between these tags. What are the tags? TH, TD and TR tags. The TH and TD tags must be written in between TR tag. If we want to display the content in a particular row, so in that row we want to display the TH and TD tags. Okay, see here, I will show the output. This is called as one row, right? This is one row, and this is another row, and this is another row, and this is another row. This is why we use when we written these content in the TR tag and display, and in that TR tag we will write the content in the TD or TH tags. If we want to display the headings of the table, um, these are written in between TH tags. And if we want to display the content of the table, and it was written in between the TR tags. Okay, TR or TH tags. If we want to apply the borders to the table, it will done by using the borders concept. I will explain it in the next video. And if we when we apply only border to the table, what will happens? Okay, now I am using only border. What will happens? Let's see. When we apply the border to the table, it will appears like this. It will displays like this. But I want this like a table, no separate borders. I want it to match, means a single line of border. How can we get it? By using the concept border collapse. When I apply border collapse to this table, then the two lines will split into a single line like this. When we apply border collapse is to collapse, then these two lines will split into a single line. Okay, let's try it. I applied. See, in earlier it will have two lines. That means this cell is different and this cell is separate. Now these two rows will match. So for that purpose we use the border collapse concept. Okay, next, applying background colors to the columns by using column group tag. This column group tag is used to apply color to the whole column. When we have three columns, when we apply red to the first column and yellow to the second column and green to the third column, by using the column group tag, it will apply to single column. For example, like this, see here, only we can use the column group tag after opening the table tag. Okay, when I take a column group tag, opening and closing tag, and in that I will take a call tag. It is a self closing tag. That means it does not have any closing tag. Okay, in that I will take a span of one. That means for one row, for one column, sorry, for one column, and I applied a background color as yellow. And next I will take another call tag, that means column tag, and a span of one I applied a background color of green. And next I will take another call tag, and in that I does not mention any span because it is the last one, right? In the earlier I already take two columns, and last we have only one, so that for purpose I didn't use any span. That means automatically it takes that column. When we run it, see, the yellow color is applied to the whole column, and the green also, and the pink also, it applied to the whole column, right? So for that purpose the column group tag is used to apply the colors to the columns. Next one, why I'm writing this in this tag, these are called as the comments of the HTML. So it does not displays in the output now. See here, right? The colors are gone because we have mentioned this whole content in the comments. So that's why it does not run. And next one, applying background colors to each cell individually by taking ID attribute or else class attribute. What is meant by ID attribute or class attribute? By taking ID attribute and class attribute in the tags, see here, I have written it here. When we apply, um, when we give any name in the ID tag, we can call it in the style tag and apply any colors to it or apply any function to it. That means we can apply any styling by calling its name in the style tag in the header section. When we want to call a ID, we will take hashtag hash and call the name. When we want to take a class, we will call it by dot and class name. Okay, so here I have take a ID of 1, and here I have take a class of 2. Okay, two individual cells. So I am applying, for ID I am applying yellow color, for class I am applying pink color. Okay, now I want to run it. What will be the output? Okay, for ID attribute which was applied yellow color, that was displayed here, and the pink color is displayed here. So by using the ID attributes, when we give an ID name, we will call it in the style tag, and we apply whatever the style we want to it by calling it with hash. Okay, and for the class we want to call it with a dot. And applying padding, when we apply padding, what will happen? See here, I'm applied 30 px of padding to it. Px means pixels. Now I'm removing it. What will happen? We will see. See, there is no space between the content. When we apply a padding uh, to this table, in each cell, um, it will get some space between the content. That means padding is useful to give the space between the content and the table. Okay. My question is, what is the difference between the margin and the padding? Can anyone know? Margin is used to give the space between the whole web page and the content. But the padding is used to give the space between the table, whatever the table we selected, the table and in between the table contents. So that is the difference. Okay. Now I am giving the padding. Okay. Save. What will happen? See, each cell gets the space around it. So for this purpose, the padding is used. And next, so these are all the concepts. And come to here, in between the table tag, we used for row, we used tr tag. Tr means table row. In that table, I use the th tag. Th tag means table heading, right? Means it will appears like this. These are called as a headings. These and all was written in between the th tags. These are cells or data. These are written in between the td tags. Okay, we have a row of three headings and three rows of cells or data. So like this, four rows, right? Four rows of data, and we will close the table tag. So like this, we will written the table. We will create a table. So for when you want to apply border collapse, padding, these and all, how we will apply for the table? By taking table tr, td, th, by taking all the tags which were applied to create a table, the whole tags, when we call the whole tags and apply, then we apply the borders to it. Then the border will apply to it. What will happen when I couldn't take th tag? So first I am removing it. See here. Carefully observe what will happen. What is the change appears? Because when I removed the th tag, so here I am not applying any borders, any padding, any border collapse concept to the th tag. So that's why for the headings nothing is applied. So if you want to apply any border collapse property, any color, any background in the table, we want to call all the tags in the table and then we want to apply the styles. So now, okay, so I have taken all the tags which was used in the table. So now I applied all the concepts and now I am running the code. Let's see what will happen. So the border is applied to the whole table, right? So this is the concept of the table to create by using HTML. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you.